Hi, I'm Daniel with Hazen and Sawyer. So we're out here today replacing an old existing turbidity curtain with a new, more rigid and more robust boom system. You'll see behind me, boom system and turbidity curtain that goes beneath. So off to my left here, Rye Lake, so raw water reservoir. We had an existing turbidity curtain and skirt installed. With the conditions out here on the lake over a number of years, those curtains wear and tear and degrade over time. So after a number of first installations, we decided to put in a more robust, more extensive system. Thanks to Elastec, their boot beam system. So on this system, the skirt itself is not structurally coupled to the curtain, unlike the old designs. So with this system now, we're hoping to put it in and have the materials on top stay, the structure itself stay in place. And anytime the curtain works, we're hoping to be able to replace just the skirt beam. So we're excited for the installation and I look forward to get in the water.
Here we are in Rye Lake, New York. Elastec assisting on the installation of the Elastec Brute Boom. These are 20-foot sections of 18-inch Brute Boom. They're going to be stretched 800 feet across the reservoir. They're going to have a 30-ounce silt containment screen hanging underneath, tapered from 5 foot on the shores to 20 foot deep in the middle. When putting a skirt through the rod, the weight of the ballast is going to want to make it roll over. So using rebar, we've got it set so we can slide the rod and the skirt through. So we've got 15 sections to pull in the water here. 25 foot deep, skirts underneath. Slinging it, having the heavy equipment, move it forward as the boat pulls it into the water. Moving the anchors close to shore. These are 60-pound anchors, getting them ready to feed the boat. So what we're doing here is we're backing away from the anchor buoy with the anchor and dropping it over.